Understanding the role of a project manager. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic in the world of business and management: the role of a project manager. Whether you're aspiring to be one or just curious about what they do, this video will give you a clear understanding. Let's explore together. A project manager is a professional responsible for planning, executing, and overseeing a project to ensure it is completed on time and within budget. They are the point of contact for all aspects of a project and play a crucial role in its success. Project managers have a diverse set of responsibilities, which include defining the project scope and objectives, developing detailed project plans, managing the project team, allocating resources effectively, monitoring and reporting on the project's progress, communicating with stakeholders, addressing and resolving any issues that arise. To be effective, project managers need a combination of skills: leadership and team management skills, strong communication and negotiation abilities, excellent organizational and time management skills, problem-solving and decision-making capabilities, proficiency in project management software. Project managers are vital because they ensure that projects are completed efficiently and effectively, help in achieving business goals and objectives, play a key role in resource management and risk mitigation, are crucial for maintaining good client relations. So, that's a wrap on the role of a project manager. They are the backbone of successful project execution, balancing multiple elements to bring a project to fruition. If you're considering this career path or just wanted to learn more, I hope this video has been enlightening. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.